the clear press-on gel that we're using today. And you guys can right away tell the difference in consistency with press-on gel and with base gel. It's so much more rich, I want to say is a good way. Thank you. Let me pin that. There we go. Relax your fingers, Wendy. There you go. It's gonna change the games. Hi from Chicago. Thanks for joining us today. Beautiful. Look at that.
Wow.
Very windy this nail.
Very good.
Ready for Bojangles. Hi from Rockford. Thanks for joining us today, my love. And then freeze it for a few seconds. The pink press-on gel, just because it does have pigment in it, you want to hold it for just a little bit longer.
Thank you,
Antonia should have been on our Instagram live TV today because everybody, oh my, well not everybody, but there was some people that did not take their pills today on our Instagram live. That's awesome. I know California's going to be a while before they open it. They changed the game. Hi Sue, thanks for joining us today. We got Sue here, we got Antonia, do we have Christina Scott, do we have Sandra? And Gwen Stefani. Look at that length, you guys. How do you feel, Wendy?
Amazing.
Ready to take over the world?
Yes.
Very short this length, very discreet. Hema, yes, there's no hema. And the great thing about this too is that it does not, the product does not get in contact with the skin either. Duran semanas, duran meses.
¿Y cómo se llaman? Gracias, saludos desde Guatemala.
Saludos a Guatemala. Dile, Wendy.
Saludos. Claro que sí duran bastante. Son como las acrílicas. Y te van a gustar muchísimo.
Son
Eso sí.
re fáciles de hacer.
Rápido.
Meter la mano. We're also going to do a layer of press-on gel on the inside too. And that's going to give us our extra strength.
Yeah.
So that way when Wendy's twerking on the pole, it won't bend.
Cleaning it.
How Wendy rolls. Hi from Cambodia. Thanks for joining us today.
Yes, Antonio. Guys, stop the also watching.
How beautiful that is. So now let's do a nice little quick coat of press-on gel on the inside. So if you want to have something like with extra strength, this is the trick. Because remember, press-on gel is super strong because it's a builder in a bottle as well too. So we're giving away all the secrets today. No, the thumb. And remember, you guys, this is still faster than having to sculpt a nail too.
Is this the other one from like I think it's the same.
No, this one's a different shape. But we're gonna do something similar today, but we're gonna use the black as the base too. Okay, go ahead and bake that 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna put a coat of shiny gel too, because press-on gel does not dry tack free. Press-on gel is sticky, super duper sticky. So I'm gonna put a coat of shiny gel on the inside just to seal it.
Yes.
do they feel like wearing that? How does it feel wearing that?
Like I don't have anything.
Really? Super natural.
Super like I don't feel nothing like it's heavy or something like
So now let's do a coat of shiny gel on the inside. And this is gonna seal the press-on gel and the 1, 2, 3 go. So that when we file it, it won't be sticky.
Dime, Hernández, ¿cuánto tiempo dilata esta aplicación de niños?
1 minuto. 1 segundo.
Rápido.
Rápido. Estilo Sinaloa. Estilo Mazatlán. Con pepino y clamato.
Y camarón.
Y camarón. ¿Y estilo Acapulco cómo es?
¿O no?
Con Fanta y ketchup.
Really?
Yes, así me dijo la Lucy Frank.
La verdad, sí.
1 minute. Hasta más fuerte. Más macizas. Uf. Porque le voy a dar el corno de chivo a la Wendy. Tas, 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 y no se doblan las uñas. No salen volando. So Wendy, Stefani, she does gun shooting at ranges. And her nails, when she's pulled those triggers, they don't go anywhere. They stay on, super strong. So for you ladies that like to shoot the guns, rest assured, they'll be nice and strong. Did you have any heat spikes? Oh, somebody asked if there's heat spikes.
Nothing.
Some people have them, some people don't. It just depends, and that's pretty much any gel as well, too. Oh, no comment. Beautiful. So now we begin the shaping. Good evening, my love.
Is the lamp available on the website?
The pre-order is sold out officially for the Dazzling Garland lamp, but we will have more available at the end of May. Really? You haven't seen any videos in a while of Davina? Well, you've probably been really busy, and congratulations to your new establishment. I wish you the best success out there in the Netherlands.
How do you get the strength with the long nail?
They already come thicker than the regular 1, 2, 3 go, and also we use press-on gel, which is super strong.
I thought I saw it in 6 weeks. JJ nails. Can't wait to get my pro.
And today we're using the pipe shape. I love this length. It's like super discreet, I think. Right, Wendy?
Very natural.
Very natural, very everyday.
Like for everything.
I actually think they're a little short for you.
What do you think the difference of using the polygels and the one you're using?
I don't work with that other brand or the other products. I wouldn't be able to answer that question for you. I'm sorry. So we're going to turn the hat upside down, and we're going to take a 240 grit felt, and we're going to bevel out the inside of the nail, and this is going to help even out that C curve and also taper the nail a little bit more. Because that way when I look down the barrel of the nail, it'll be really even when you do this. Oh, thank you, my love. I appreciate that. We killed the game, didn't we, sis?
So good sushi. Like, wait, do you take something ketchup and
Yes. Acapulco style ceviche. Hello, hola, hola. Vamos a hacer un diseño con ojo de gato de quinta dimensión en color tornasol, aperlizado, que es un color precioso. Look at that shape, you guys. It looks just like a sculpture nail. Isn't that wild?
JJ Nails, love your products.
Thank you, only the best.
I've been buying for a while. Impressive product and super adorable. I'm so happy I have mentioned 1 to 3 I can't wait.
Yes, we already started working on them actually, and hopefully we'll have them in about, I would say towards sometime in June, I think. Super beautiful. The XXL coffin is super hot. William, would you wear this length of nail? Or longer? Too short?
No, you think it's too short? Yeah.
Well, it's because Wendy's from Sinaloa.
Well, because with me working, it'd be a lot harder.
You think so?
Yeah, here, yeah. With long nails, it'd be hard. My previous job was like not. Just like a
Purple jangles. The Palomino Club in Nevada, in Las Vegas. ¿Todavía existe el Palomino? Centro nocturno muy elegante.
La crema.
Uf, qué bueno y qué 8 cuartos. Ahorita que venga el George le voy a preguntar. Hey George,
Maybe
here. Sí. Yes, very, very soon. Beautiful. Look at that shape. Now it's going with the smoothie buffer. Smooth the chance of full entire nail. At about 15,000 RPM. Now how do they feel, Wendy? Super lightweight?
Super light.
안녕하세요, 친구. 네.
do you have more of the front for the end?
Sí, están las bolsas. Yeah, use the one from the back. Uh-huh. So let's have around. I'm gonna use the buffer, which is now purple,
Ooh, that's
which is smoother.
I like this one.
Just a touch of
Yes, Antonio.
every day, story of my life, Antonio.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day, all day.
Always the same.
Yes. With a lovely buffer, yes. Very soft.
Very soft. And now she's purple. I was gonna make it pink, but I was like, if we have 2 pink buffers, it's gonna be confusing for the shipping department, so let's make her purple. Yellow would have been a nice color too.
Please, John, how to break
Oh, the same way you would with any brush. Remove the starch and then coat it with the gel you're going to be using it for. So I'm getting our black gel polish, which I will tell you right now what number it is. Look at that one coat coverage. Very discreet color, however.
And then it's just a shadow. Someone if I'm leaving the shadow.
Yeah, she's going to lose so much blood she's going to pass out. Give her sugar. Breathing salts. Story of my life.
People have to be more kind those days, not before.
There is a pandemic going on.
Yes,
So-
they can get
I was talking to our UPS driver, and he says right now there's more packages going out than there are during Christmas. Which means there's more chances of packages getting lost, packages getting delayed, packages getting mixed up. So people need to really understand about that.
yes. The black gel is one golden.
They're done.
Super black.
Oh, thank you. Couture.com. Often imitate her to do the face.
I'm feeling spicy right now.
Ooh, Antonio, you should have gone on our Instagram live today. It was brutal.
Oh my god.
I was like, why even read the comments? Block, block, block. Ain't nobody got time for such foolishness.
Everyone knows negative, rude. They don't have manners anymore.
Look how beautiful that color is, you guys. We're gonna bake it for 1 minute. This one. And then I'm going to use feel sexy. I'm going to use my personal favorite from the new Space Galaxy Kitty. From the 8 that we launched, number 17 is my favorite, you guys, hands down. This is cool. This is magic in a bottle. And you guys are gonna see it right now. I don't think I used it in my new video. You'll see it on, it's not on Instagram, so you guys are gonna see it first. We did use it on live though, but in a different way. So on my mom's it's on clear, which gives you a very icy look, and on Wendy you guys are gonna see it on black and how different it looks. Very sick.
Oh my god.
So this is the new Space Galaxy Kitty number 17.
They would just say, can you use white gel as the base
You can definitely give it a try. I've never tried this with whites. Only on clear and on black. Look how cool that looks. Wow, look at that, you guys. Go ahead and put that in 10 seconds. Or just like 5. All you have to do is just freeze the gel in place so that way it doesn't move around. Okay, take it out. Look how cool that looks.
I ordered 13, 14, 15, and 16 in the Space Galaxy, and now there's 7. Can well to explain this. It is pretty.
It's more like an icy white. Like an icy white kind of color. Okay, 5 seconds. Okay, take it out. So now let's do this line one. Put your fingers on one thing. There you go. Look at that. Put that in. 5 seconds.
Okay, so now I can add more information. Oh yes,
Take it out.
waiting for the secret package to become available.
Just a few seconds. You like them? Very magical. Very witching hour. Okay, let's do the thumb.
Love them stunning. It's so good. Nice. It is.
What?
It's so beautiful.
Okay, let's wait that one day. 30 seconds. And then we're going to seal with one coat of Wonder Gel, the entire phalange.
Yes, I am. I feel blessing. Melted. I install the site every day, twice a day, waiting for something. I mean, dying for the drop.
So Wonder Gel over the entire nail. And Wonder Gel, because it is thicker and because it does have rubber, it will kind of like magnify the design and just kind of act like a magnet on top and give it a really magical effect.
I made a huge order for tomorrow. I made a huge order day. I can't wait to receive many blessings.
Oh, thank you. Look how beautiful this is. This color is so cool. All of them are really cool, and later maybe not tonight, but tomorrow morning when I have time in the morning, I will take a picture of all the new colors too. There, you can purchase them right now, but you just can't see what colors they are. I've just been so busy. Literally, when we got here this morning for work, there was 5,000 emails. 5,000 emails from Saturday night through midnight. The night shift up at midnight. So from like I guess from Sunday in the middle of the night through Monday, 5,000 emails. No bling today, because I don't want him to get tangled in Wendy's weave. So let's bake that for 1 minute. I don't think it needs any though. But I am going to add a coat of shiny gel on top just to make it more and more shiny. I'm going to add one more coat of shiny gel on top just to intensify the shine. So that way the nail looks not necessarily thicker, but more 3D. Do you know what I mean? María? ¿Dónde? En Walmart. Uy, le hubieran cargado los pijamas.
Do you ship to UK?
Of course, all over the world.
Rosa Villagrana, hope everything goes.
Así, linda, las quiero, las uñas, para tu cumpleaños. Muy cortitas.
Muy cortitas para mí, o sea,
Más largas, por favor.
Rosa Villagrana, everything goes for surgery and speedy and recovery.
Oh, thank you, my love. I appreciate that.
So, when is your surgery?
Wednesday. Can you believe that? Right around the corner. I'm so excited. No more thunder thighs for me.
Rosanna Vargas, do you need to please? My mom thinks.
Oh, that's so sweet, but I don't. She can come to the office and pick up products, but they do it curbside, and I don't actually deliver them. I avoid this on like the pig.
Do you do for other hand?
No, we're just gonna do one. That's all we do around here, just one hand. Let's bake that for 1 minute.
So there are more Galaxy Kitty
I can show you some of them while that's baking. Let's see. I have them all here. Let's do one. Let's swatch out one. Should we do the lavender? Do you guys want to see the lavender? This lavender is number 21.
So cool. Oh, well, we'll be sending healing energy to you so that you're covered.
Thank you. I appreciate it. My mom says that the arm surgery will be really hard on me. But from what I've heard, what my doctor told me, so like it shouldn't be too bad. No, not my legs. They are massive. We will always activate the pigments when you're using a 3D. Let's do a little Swiss cheese. A little Swiss cheese. Well, I messed it up because I touched the magnet, but this is the lavender one. Isn't she lit? Literally, it looks like she's on fire. And actually, when it's out of the hard light, it looks more lavender out of the hard light. Let me fix it so that way I can save this one. Look at how cool that is. Look at that one. Thank you. So this one's done, and it waited about 10 seconds after the hand came out. So now let's hydrate the phalanges. See? Se sienten fuertes.
muy fuertes.
And there you guys have it. You do have kind of like a spooky look to them. I like it.
I like it.
Super magical. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today's design, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.